So I wanted to talk to you about a word that makes me quite furious. No! It's an Icelandic word. Can we talk about this? Getum við talað þetta? It's a very particular word that native Icelandic speakers use all the time. They use it so much that they've decided to basically do away with using other words that could be used instead of this word. And there's only really one other word to describe the reason why, and that word is leti, laziness. However, let me get back to the word and why it makes me so furious. When you want to express that you enjoyed something, that you were really into something, or maybe you just want to emphasize how greatly something was.
What did he say?
I was really late. The meal was exquisite. The painting looks amazing. So all these different words to use to modify or express your feeling about how something was. For whatever reason, native Icelandic speakers have just decided that they're not going to use a bunch of Icelandic words. Meiri háttar, frábært, ótrúlega, yndislega, svakalega. These are just some options. But never mind, because we're just going to use one apparently now. And the word that everybody has latched onto for using is ógeðslega. For example, ég var rosalega seinn. No. Ég var ógeðslega seinn. Maturinn var virkilega góður. Nei. Maturinn var ógeðslega góður. And what do people think about Iceland's newest president? Is she fantastic? Is she amazing? Is she spectacular? No. She's ógeðslega góð. Hvernig finnst þér nýji forseti Íslands? Já, hún ógeðslega góð. Hún ógeðslega góður forseti. Now, it's not just the fact that it's tremendously lazy to just use this one word for everything. It's also the fact that the word itself is not particularly palatable or sweet. So the direct translation of ógeðslega is disgustingly. So how was the food? Oh, it was disgustingly good. Really? That's good, I guess. How does your daughter look in that dress? Oh, hún ógeðslega sæt. Oh, she's disgustingly sweet. She's disgustingly cute. Já, allt í lagi. Ég elska þig ógeðslega mikið. I love you disgustingly much. Takk. Thanks. Yeah, so that's just a bit about this word and how strange I find it that we've just decided that we're going to use it for everything. It's not a particularly proper word, and it should be noted that, yes, the Icelandic language is not always very proper at all, and that's fine. And I think there are definitely moments where you can use ógeðslega as a modifier for something. Ég var ógeðslega seinn. I was disgustingly late. Or ég ógeðslega þreyttur. I'm disgustingly tired. Fine, no worries, ekkert mál. But I wish people would vary it up a little bit and not just use ógeðslega for every single thing that they want to modify and express how they feel about. So this is the reason why I'm so angry, as you can no doubt tell. Furious with anger about this. Anyway, just thought I'd share. Mér finnst ógeðslega gaman að þið skulið hafa hort á þetta. I find it disgustingly fun that you decided to sit in and listen to this. Takk fyrir og bless. Thank you and bye. Ógeðslega.